everybody, it's me, Samrana. Hope you had a lot of fun. Sorry guys, I couldn't do a video for a long time. And because of school, tuition, swimming, piano. But still, I've been learning and exploring new things. When I first saw it, I thought, is it even possible? And I thought he had some type of superpower or something. But when I learned it and solved it, I was so joyful and so proud of myself. If I can do it, you can do it. I will never say never. I will fight it till forever. Whenever you knock me down, I will not stay on the ground. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, up. Never say never. So yes guys, it's a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I got this as a gift from my mama, my uncle. My mom taught herself and taught me step by step. And I will also teach you in the upcoming video step by step. Did you know how much time it took me to solve this Rubik's Cube, guys? First 30 minutes, then 20, 10, 9, 8, 4 minutes, and now I'm in 2 and 2.5 minutes. This is not my final record, guys. I will challenge my records in the upcoming videos. Practice, practice, practice. If you practice, your speed will go like. So I'll ask my mom to jumble this up and put the timer on. And I will show you how I will solve it. Let's get started.
Are you ready, Umrana?
Yes.
Start the timer and you can start.
3, 2, 1, go. Minutes and 10 seconds, guys, okay?
Well done, Umrana. I'm so proud of you. You actually did, I think your average score is around 1.45 minutes to 2:10 minutes. So you also did at 1 minute 37 seconds in the last game. But as we are checking the average, it's around 2 minutes 10 seconds. Well done, and I'm so proud of you, Umrana. And keep going, and I want you to do with more speed, maybe less than a minute, and let's try and do it. You can do it.
Let's try and break the world record, guys.
No, you're good to aim it, but it's always practice. As you said, practice. Well done, my son. I love you.
Bye.